Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. We are looking at the Australian dollar, US dollar in what seems to be an extremely bearish scenario. And this bearish scenario, I would say, is here to stay for quite a while, and most likely is due to the deleveraging, if you want, or the repositioning on, or global repositioning on assets. The Australian dollar US dollar forms a so-called bearish impulsive move that started by the time this triangle here was ended. And I would say that our first wave is nothing but this one here. So this would be the end of the first wave, wave 1. After the end of the first wave, let's make it in red, we're looking for a second wave, but the second wave that started here ended only at this moment of time. This means that we are looking for a running correction since the second wave ends lower than the end of the first wave, and this running correction should not stop anytime soon, as it needs to go 161.8 when compared with the previous first wave. Well, this is the first wave. If you take the Fibonacci expansion from here to here, not expansion, sorry, let's try to measure the retracement, the 161.8. let's take this one from here to here, and then to go and choose the 161.8 from here to here, and then you project it by the end of the second wave, you will have a stunning surprise that this one actually goes somewhere in the 0.70, well lower than current prices, and all this trip should be made with price staying below the 0 to 2 trend line, as this is the 0 to 2 trend line. So normally what we should do from this moment on is only to stay on the short side, or if you want, only to buy put options. These put options here come in the following scenario. We have a flat for the first correction, so this would be wave A, B, C, a flat for the first correction, then the X wave, and then a contracting triangle that goes A, B, C, D, and then the E wave here. This is being called a double 3 running, and this double 3 running, by the time that the B to D trend line has been broken and retested, broken and retested at the 0.81 level, it never looked back. And normally it should stay as a bellwether, if you want, for this move for the third wave to the downside. So what I would like to do here on the Australian dollar US dollar at the opening on Monday, would actually only like to buy put options and to stay on the short side, for this is a strong and powerful impulsive move that should not end anytime soon. So until 0.70 level here, we should only sell the Australian dollar and the US dollar. So let's write here on the screen that what I would like to do here is looking to buy put options with end of week expiration, end of month expiration date, if you want, because next Friday is also end of month expiration day. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com. Bearish scenario for the Aussie, and we should look for put options. Bye bye.